Every day, we face situations in life that require us to think a little and come to a sound decision, choosing a career path, making a financial decision, or even what to choose for lunch. Many times we find it difficult to do so, but these decisions are life-changing decisions. What we want to be, where we want to see ourselves 10 years from now, depends on these decisions. There are different ways to make the right decision. It's not that we aren't born with some kind of decision-making ability, but our decision-making ability grows with experience at every stage of life. Today, in this video, we will try to thoroughly discuss the 7 steps required to make the right decision. Hope watching this video will help you a lot to make the right decision. Let's start. The first step in making a sound decision is to clearly identify your goals and objectives. Determine what your purpose is, what you want to be. This will help you make better decisions. Without knowing how to achieve your goal, you need to know the reason to make the right decision, because when you know the right reason for making a decision, you can easily make the right decision. Now that you have a clear goal, it's time to gather information. Research, read, ask questions, and gather all the relevant information you can find. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Different sources and perspectives need to be considered to get a holistic view of the situation. If you've gathered enough information to achieve your goals, it's time to identify your options. List all possible courses of action available to you. Don't limit yourself to just a few choices. Think big. Sometimes the best decision is hidden among the options you haven't considered. Now that you have a list of options, it's time to evaluate the pros and cons of each. Make a comprehensive list of the pros and cons of each choice. Consider the short-term and long-term consequences of your decisions. This step will help you achieve the possible results. Trust your intuition. Often your gut feeling can guide you to the right decision. However, it is essential to validate your insights with the data and analysis you collect. Balancing intuition with facts is crucial. Don't be afraid to seek advice from trusted friends, family members, or professionals who have experience in this area. They can provide valuable insight and perspective that you may have missed. Just remember, you have to make the final decision. Finally, it's time to make a decision. After careful consideration of your goals, information, options, pros and cons, insights and advice, choose the option that best aligns with your objectives. Trust your judgment and trust your choices. These 7 steps help make the decision-making process easier. But like all steps, there are some drawbacks that you must overcome at your own discretion. You should try to get the information you need to make your decision from multiple sources, because no single source can be 100% reliable. Gathering as much accurate information as possible is very helpful in reaching the right decision, but information overload can confuse you and prevent you from following your own opinions. Remember, believing in yourself is a key to making good decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own tips on decision making, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.